sounds very knocky to me. Let's have a look.
This is not what you want to find at the bottom of a sump. Clearly these are metal filings, but they shouldn't be in the sump. They shouldn't be anywhere in the engine. I'm going to give this sump a clean and reinstall it. However, we did inspect and realise it has been opened quite recently. As you can see, the amount of sealant used is quite frankly ridiculous. It's my opinion, but I think the previous owner knew about this issue and they hid it. This is unfortunately a nasty surprise to the new owner. I think it's time to open this filter up and see what we find. It will give us a clue and an indication into what other damage might have occurred inside the engine. I can see metal flakes sparkling in the light right there. Let's a closer look. So we can confirm there's metal particles inside the oil filter. This means the oil pump has taken up this contaminated oil with metal and it has passed through, most likely causing damage. This could be the reason we are exhibiting low oil pressure, but we will need to inspect the oil pump to make sure that is the problem. There's also other components that might have been damaged with the contaminated oil going through it, but we will see when we start stripping down components. A system scan revealed Volkswagen codes indicating problems with the oil pressure sensors, both high and low pressure sensors. However, I believe that the pressure is actually low. It's just the computer doesn't like what it's seeing and it thinks it's a fault.